Do you want your small business to be discovered more on Instagram? Today I'm going to show you how to use an underutilized feature of Instagram called IGTV to actually grow your business. It's Laura from Milroy Media. For the best advice on social media for small businesses, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post every Wednesday and Sunday. If you feel like you are constantly competing against endless accounts for your audience's attention on Instagram, I'm going to show you how to use IGTV to stand out of the crowd and actually grow your business. So IGTV is actually still very underutilized for businesses. Instagram is actually setting aside a ton of space on their Explore pages for IGTV videos, and yet not a lot of businesses are utilizing this to grow their audience. So now's the time to be an early adopter and actually use IGTV to help grow your own business. So how do we do this? We don't want to post just anything and everything to IGTV. We want to be strategized. That's at the core of what I do, is making sure that your content is strategized and giving value to your audience. So first things first, one, give value. You can post longer videos on IGTV. You can have anywhere up to 10 minutes. If you're a verified account or a larger channel, you can actually go up to 60 minutes, but for most accounts, you're gonna be right around the 10-minute mark. So you can post a lot more stuff on IGTV than you can, say, on Instagram stories. So this is a great opportunity to post a bit of a longer video, but something that showcases the value of your business or teach your audience something. Let's face it, your audience is not going to want to watch a 10-minute video if they're not interested in the topic. So you have to make it very engaging. You have to make it something that they actually want to know. So be focused and give value to your audience. If you're a fitness professional, teach them a few moves that they can do at home that showcases how good you are and how professional and how much you know, and get them addicted to your personality so they actually want to work with you in person. So make sure that you're giving value to your audience by either teaching them something, showcasing something about your business that they would want to know, that either like gets them to buy from you or just gives them value on an everyday basis. The next tip that I'm going to give you on how to use IGTV for your business is to put the keywords in your caption. This is something that not a lot of people are doing. Instagram has its own mini search engine, so you want to make sure that any keywords for your content or for your business are being used in the description and in the caption so that Instagram knows who wants to see it. This is a really great way to niche or narrow your audience so that the right people are finding your business. We don't want to showcase to everybody. We want to make sure that the right people are coming to you, the right people are finding you, because those are the people that are going to buy from you. So using the example of a fitness professional, let's say you're putting out a video of an ab workout. Make sure that you're putting in the caption something to the effect of like, at home ab workout to lose belly fat, or at home ab workout to tighten your core, or if you're targeting like moms or people who are post-pregnancy, you could even do like 3 ab moves that you can do at home postpartum. You know, something to that effect so that the Instagram algorithm knows to send that video to the people who are searching for that kind of content. Because those people will want to find you and buy from you. So those are the people that you want to target. So how much are you actually searching IGTV? Put in the comments below and let me know how often you're going on IGTV and what kind of content actually like gets your attention. I'd love to hear this in the comments. So my third tip is to add links. Instagram is so frustrating for some people because you cannot add clickable links in the captions, right? In your posts, in your videos, if you're under 10,000 followers, you can't add links to drive people to your email list, your website, or anywhere else where they can like convert into an actual customer. This has been a huge frustration for a lot of people. And one thing that people absolutely do not recognize and certainly do not use is the fact that your IGTV videos, the descriptions are clickable. You can put a link in there and send people to whatever conversion you want to make. So this is really great if you have like a digital download, you want to send people to your email list or your blog. And hot tip for you, this is a great swipe up hack. If you don't have 10,000 followers yet, you don't have the ability to send people to the swipe up feature on Instagram stories. However, almost everybody has the ability to link to an IGTV video. And if your IGTV description has a link in it, it's actually clickable and can send them to that conversion. Yes, it's not as good as the regular swipe up and it is an extra step. However, if you are looking for that, or if you are really desperate to send them over to a clickable conversion, this is a great hack for you. You can actually just send them to your IGTV and you just want to make sure that you're telling them to click on the description and they can just click right to whatever conversion you want to make. And if you want to know how to edit your IGTV videos, just click on my little card up there and it will send you to my video on how to edit your videos for IGTV. Last but not least, I want you to make sure that you are making your video digestible and entertaining. The fact is that no matter what content goes out, you have to make sure it's something your audience actually wants to see or wants to know. So basically all of your media across all platforms has two prerogatives. You want to make sure you're entertaining them and you want to make sure you're educating them. So really, if you break down all media, it's really going into one of those two things. So make sure that you are really capitalizing on education and entertainment in your videos so you can showcase your business and educate them on your business and what you do in an entertaining way. You want to make it fun, you want to make it not too long, you don't want it to drag on, so you have to be really clear on what your message is. So as I said, you really only have a maximum of 10 minutes, but really you might only want to use like a couple of minutes or 5 minutes or something a little bit smaller because, you know, it's really going to depend on what the topic is and what your audience wants to hear. Everyone gets distracted on Instagram, and if they're not immediately engaged, then they are going to leave and click on something else. So I would almost suggest, if you have a call to action in your description, like the clickable link that I described, don't really hesitate to tell them about it. Don't wait till the end. Tell them right at the beginning, and that way if you lose people, you're still getting that conversion. So now that you know how to use IGTV for your business, help a girl out, head over to my Instagram and comment on my latest post about what your biggest takeaways from this video were. I really want to hear from you, and that's where the party is. And if you want all the latest insider secrets on how to make social media for your small business pay off, literally, then click on the link below and join my email list. This is where I'm going to be sending all of my exclusive content, and you're not going to want to miss it. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Share it with your small business owner friends, and comment below if this video was helpful to you. I will see you next time with another video. Thank you.